My name is Amanda Haynes, and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm in Orlando today, about to take you inside of one of my favorite models with Taylor Morrison. This home is great for a family. It's one story, has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Stick around and I'll show you the inside. This is a St. Croix model, which starts at a base price of $488,995. They still have some great lots left with both water and conservation views. This home has 4 bedrooms and all of the rooms have their own private bathrooms. It looks like our first bedroom will be called the soccer room. It has a private bathroom with a walk-in shower. There's 2,921 square feet of living space. And our second bedroom can be the Boy Scout room, which also has a bathroom attached. And this one has the shower and tub combo. Back into the foyer, we head over to our kitchen. If you enjoy cooking, you'll love that this is a gas community. If you like to barbecue as well, you do have the option of adding an outdoor kitchen. The walk-in pantry. And this would be where your garage and laundry room is located. Right now it's being used as an office, but you do have an option of expanding that space. The open concept kitchen allows you plenty of space for your dining table, which overlooks your gathering room. There's the option of adding doors onto your flex room to turn it into a study. I really like all the recessed lighting and the decorative access wall in the gathering room. You have a linen closet. The third bedroom displays some of your design selections. After you choose your lot and floor plan, you'll have many different color options to choose from. If you've never done this before, it can be a little overwhelming, but no worries, there are plenty of professionals to help you out during the process. Heading back out to the hall, you do have a powder room for your guests to use so that they don't need to go in through the bedrooms to use the restroom. And this floor plan has a large covered lanai where they've chose to add an outdoor kitchen. Some of the amenities include a pavilion, community pool and playground, and the HOA is only $52 a month. There's 4 elevations to choose from, my favorite being the one with the stone on the exterior of the home. You have a private door taking you out to your lanai in your primary bedroom suite. The base price of this home before the lot premium or any upgrades are added is $488,995. There's a large walk-in shower. Dual vanities. A water closet. And of course your walk-in closet. This shower is quite impressive. You have double shower heads and plenty of space. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel